is Bitcoin doing so far? Well, what we see here is a clear bearish climax. Price has come to a climatic point. It's infused very aggressively downwards, as we can see from these black, long, full bear trend bars. But undeniably, what we also have to say is that, hey, we had this retracement wick. This means at that level, there was a lot of buying pressure. Now, that could be many things. That can be, the sellers deciding to take profit, to come out. That could also mean, the buyers feeling that that is a fair price for Bitcoin and stepping in. Okay. And that can also just mean, like, hey, we are at a point where they are, buyers and sellers need to renegotiate. What is a renegotiation phase? That is a range. But they renegotiate the fair price of Bitcoin. Guess what happens after? We start to range. Okay. So this is the ebbs and flow of the market. All right. You have an impulse, you range. You have an impulse, you range. So what we can see here now is following this massive, trend bar down, 3 trend bars in a row, we have 3 successive trend bars in a row in the opposite direction. We have a tiny retracement, and then we have the bull stepping again. Okay, and they react from this 3-minute zone, retracing down with this very aggressive bearish trend bar. Okay, and then that comes all the way up. It gives us 1 leg down, 2 legs down, 3 legs down. So we get 3 legs, bang, 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 creating our range. Now, shortly after we created that range, I don't know if we're going to have time today. But shortly after we created that range, all right, we can see at the bottom of that range, price taps it once, price comes back, taps it twice, and then off it goes. So that was a lovely range deviation. It did not close below that level. And I can show you that more specifically using this arrow tool. This is going to be my new favorite tool. This arrow tool, where is it? It's disappeared. I hope you're there. I think you're there. No, it's not. Are you there? Knock, knock. I think you're there. Yes, you are. Right, so what I'm saying is we had this low here. Price came, wasn't able to close below this low, and then retraced. Funny enough, I got a very good call from a friend of mine who showed me this and said, right, it's time to get in. Take a look. It's time to get in. Now, unfortunately, at the time of entry, using the exchange I use, the market was closed, so I couldn't quite enter.